This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together. Just like you, you're just like us, and we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Grandma's dog Mossy is not well.
Lovely Mossy.
After school today, I've come straight to the vet's with Dad to be with Grandma. Her dog Mossy is very poorly.
Hi. We've come to see Mossy and Mrs. O'Dell, please.
It's just the drinks.
Thank you.
Oh, hi, Grandma.
Hi, Mum.
Hello, you two. Oh, give me a hug, Tim.
Hello, you okay?
Yeah.
Where's Mossy?
She's still with the vet.
Is she okay?
I'm waiting to hear, Tim.
When can you take Mossy home?
I don't know. The vet, he's called John, he'll let us know when he's done all his tests.
Oh, okay. So we wait. And then John the vet comes to speak to us.
Hello there, young man. Hi, Mrs. O'Dell. Look, there's no news on Mossy yet, I'm afraid. We're going to be giving her a scan shortly, and I'll let you know more just as soon as I can. But she is comfortable, though. But do be prepared for a bit of a wait, OK?
Thank you, John.
All right, no problem. Queenie the cat, do you want to come on through?
Maybe I should drop you off at home, Tim, and I'll come back later, Mum. Yeah?
Oh, no, thank you. I want to stay here and find out if Mossy's all right. Ellie Teddy does too.
OK. Right, let me phone Mummy and tell her what's going on.
Dad calls Mummy and we wait for news about Mossy. Then look who arrives.
Yeah, we're still here.
Oh, fancy seeing your poo here.
Hello, Derek.
Right.
You OK?
It's DIY Derek. Topsy has told us all about his dog called Teddy.
A little dog likes you, Mrs. O'Dell.
Oh, hello, Derek.
Hi, Mum. Sorry.
Why have you brought Teddy to the vet?
Yeah, oh, she's come for a flea treatment so she doesn't get all itchy. And what brings you here?
Oh, it's Mossy.
Yes, my lovely Mossy's been a very poorly doggy this week, hasn't she, Tim?
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Tim, I wonder if you could help me and Teddy for a minute or two. I need to go and weigh her on the scales.
OK. Eddie Teddy can help too.
Go on, Tim.
Right, come on then. This way.
Hello.
Come on, Teddy. Here we are. Just here, Tim. Right.
Derek?
Yeah?
I think I know why your dog's been given the name Teddy.
Why is that, Tim?
Well, because she's cuddly and very fluffy. So she's like a teddy bear, like my teddy bear.
Do you know what, Tim? You're absolutely right. Just like Eddie Teddy. Right, let's have a weigh. Now then, if you could just look at that little screen there and tell me how much she weighs, I'll hold her still.
4.4.
4.4 kilograms, that is. Well done. Good work, Tim. Right. Come on, Teddy. Come on.
Right, I'd like to see Derek's dog Teddy next, please.
Oh, come on, Teddy Bear.
Come on in.
Tim, would you like to come in the surgery with me and Teddy Bear?
I think I might sit with my grandma.
Oh, now, I'm fine, Tim. Off you go and help DIY Derek. Your dad will be back in a minute.
Oh, OK. I won't be long, Grandma.
Come on then, Tim.
Come on in.
Come on, Ted. Come on,
That's it.
Teddy Bear.
Do you want to pop her up on the table for me?
There we are.
Thank you. Right. Hello there. Let's have a little look at you, shall we?
Vet John examines Teddy and then wants to know how much she weighs. She weighs 4.4 kilograms.
Right. Well, that sounds perfect for her, and that means that she's getting the right amount of food and exercise.
Does she like going for walks, Derek?
Oh, yes, she loves going for walks, don't you?
Mossy likes going for walks to our house, but only when she's not poorly.
Okay, so what we're going to do next is put a little bit of liquid in between Teddy Bear's shoulder blades to stop her from getting fleas.
Right.
Will your medicine help?
It will. It should hopefully stop her from being too itchy.
Grandma says whenever dogs get fleas, they always become itchy.
Yeah, they do.
Scratch, scratch.
And the reason that I put it in between her shoulder blades is just so that she won't be able to lick it off. Okay. Good girl. Well done.
Well done, Teddy Bear. Thank you very much.
No worries. My pleasure.
There you go.
Good girl, Teddy. Come.
Thank you. There we are.
Teddy Bear was really good.
Well, thanks for your help, Tim. Teddy Bear and I have got to get home for some tea. I hope Mossy's feeling better soon, Mrs. O'Dell.
Thank you, Derek.
Right. Cheerio all.
Bye,
Come on, Teddy.
Bye, Teddy.
Bye, Teddy.
What a lovely little dog.
Yeah. Hi, Grandma. Topsy. How is Mossy?
Come here, give me a hug.
We've just seen Derek and Teddy outside. They said there's no news. No.
When can we see Mossy, Grandma?
Well, not yet. The vet will tell us when we can. Thank you both for coming.
I didn't want to be at home. I wanted to be here with you.
No.
We're staying with you, Grandma. Look for a fish. I like that. Then John the vet comes out to speak to us.
Hi, folks. Thank you all very much for your patience. We've finished all the tests on Mossy now, so if you'd like to follow me, you can come and see her.
Right.
Come on, guys.
So she's just over here. Mossy's had quite the day of medical examination, so she's very tired, aren't you, old girl?
Oh, she looks very sleepy, Topsy and Tim. Why don't you give her your best hugs, okay? And then we can go home and we'll leave her to rest. Good boy, Tim. Here you go, Topsy. Give her a lovely hug.
You can bury one of your balls in our garden when you're better. I love you, Mossy. I love you, Mossy.
Okay, Topsy and Tim, it's time for Mossy to get some rest, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Will Grandma be able to take Mossy home tonight?
I don't think so, sweetheart. But Grandma can really stay just as long as she likes. There really is no rush, Mrs. O'Dell.
Thank you, John. Come on, lovely Mossy. Let's give you a gentle stroke, my dear old doggy.
You okay if we take the children home now?
Yes, of course. Off you all go and get your tea. I'll call you later.
Thank you.
Bye, Topsy.
Thank you.
Bye, Tim.
Bye, Grandma. Bye. After we leave the vet, we all feel very sad.
I have an idea of something we can all do on the way home to cheer us up.
What is it?
The car wash!
Yes! Yes!
Brilliant idea. Oh, careful. There you go.
After the car wash, we all feel better. And when we get home, Dad plays a game of snakes and ladders with us.
I always land on the snakes.
5 minutes till tea, everyone.
OK, Mummy. Whose turn is it?
Have the dice, please.
There you go. 1 again.
Yes!
Ah! 84.
Whose turn is it? Mine. I'm going to win.
Go on.
Brian,
Yeah.
Grandma on the phone.
OK. I'll be right back. You keep playing.
Tim, do you think Grandma's telling Dad and Mummy about Mossy?
I'm so sorry.
I think so. It's your go. How is And that's when Mummy said, we have some very sad news, Topsy and Tim.
We have some very sad news, Topsy and Tim. Poor Mossy's died.
Mossy was too poorly to come home, but Grandma stayed with her the whole time.
Poor Mossy.
Now, you must both remember that Mossy was very old, but she had a wonderful, happy life, and the vet did all he could to help her.
Is Grandma all right?
She's sad, but she didn't want Mossy to get any more poorly than she was when you last saw her. Grandma says it's for the best, and she sends you both lots of love and huggles.
We loved her, didn't we?
Yeah, I love Mossy.
Yeah.
I do too.
And Mossy knew that, you know. She knew that we all loved her. That's why she was always such a happy dog. Wasn't she?
Even when Grandma told her off.
Yes.
And when Mossy buried Grandma's slippers.
Especially then. Well, she really was a very special dog, wasn't she?
Yeah.
We'll never forget her.
No. Why don't we go downstairs for tea and remember our favourite Mossy stories? Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah?
There's nothing like you and me. Oh, 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 oh. You know there's nothing like you and me. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, there's nothing like you and me.